Aya Akashvani Itanagar cha Thursday Sibilinap Agoste Hajakini Yaukini Bangayang Amanna Jembangrau Bangachu Ne Jentumanya Yangnap Sibanga Agos Yachu Chichang India ya British Jaknava Independence Chonap Yakminna Homko Pepina Tiranga Janda ya Kitlia Homne Headku India government ni Rekha Bukoko Yak Dakchunna cha Arunachal Governor KT Parnayak ito Ketepa Government Home Raj Bhavan Itanaga Yachua Kushum Kamshum Teya Besi Doim Pyala Jandi ya Mama Homne Ketlia Chewu Heku Kapshi Tevoro Hina Yangnap Independence Nap Yachu Delhi na Red Fort na Jandi ya India Prime Minister Narendra Modi Kejakma Abkheda Yama Arunachal Capital Itanagar na Indira Gandhi Park Yachu Jandi ya Chief Minister Pema Khandu Abkheda Lohit District na Parasuram Kund Hayachu Parasuram Ketungmi ya Bangasong Mangshek Fit Aman na Kohanrong Yaka Kingkang Tekaku Parasuram Kund na Mija Deputy Chief Minister Chona Menya Lakom Sham Teka Tiang November se December dia yachu Berman Bechuto Masa Makastuhan ku Deputy Chief Minister ji Lohit District Administration Chief Engineer se Department wa Officer dungna lebtok tham waro laira Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission shi Officer post ku exam basekola kakhukma lasijak pa hoyang laira Yak secet sam waro teka kumija APPSC nova chairman pa Professor Dr. Pradip Lingfai bebanla member donja Arunachal Governor phang laksok teka Chairman se member don na bagula yaman yonjang kuting katima hoyang kamku Governor KT Parnayak i khapshet tevoro hina Siomi District National Viral Hepatitis Control Program Cell Shisa District Health Society shi bagongla hadang khonyaku Hepatitis B phumsiwa sahapkot telutaka Yak program ku munya Nipco Limited shi kapang matubko Yak diaknawa MLA pas Arunachal na Education Minister pasang Roji Sona inya hepatitis thangsiang pangna yachu kachunjon don khapshit sambawaro Government rekha ma hen Indian wakhok Tawang district yachu to homko phephi na tiranga jhanda khetla headku mija seruha yachu program tibhana Tawang district administration shi yak program yachu mama homna jhandi khe pangna tabawara yak kengong shia Northeast Zonal Cultural Center Dimapur yama India government nawa Ministry of Culture se Arunachal government nawa Arts and Culture Department shi kapangma Misidyak se rinse so lakma lethikha na kakotmen ku mijana ya yang ikhup na World Organ Donation Day nga Yaman nokna katsihin waronam Assam hajo jonai hayachu mija India Army shi Yaman secet sam woroku program tihona Yakanap yachu Assam laklak nawal levama Arunachal nawato East Siang District khonyak nyap yokwi lamutma nyavite jasket kebam khonyak leopha te chunjana Meteorological Center Itanagar Shinwa Reme Kecheba Napshek Kini Bichu Arunachal ne East Kameng Kurungkumai Pake Kesang Papumpare se Anjo District yachu Pongsbek Kechema awanga Arunachal wa badminton don kejete ya akda sekhuna mabe bangla mija lejakra Dorji Khandu Memorial State Badminton Championship minne Itanaga nawa Khelo India Indoor Stadium ya cumija jabli bangasok khonyak te chunjon na. Ya ke badminton don ku keng ke gong shia Arunachal State Badminton Association se Badminton Association of India shi. Ja khobor aten thana.